Say hello. Welcome to Barcelona. You here? Welcome to Barcelona. Now let's go and record your uncle. You ready?
It's not uncle.
You ready? Oh. What's happened to my camera? Come, Anush, let's go. Let's go and record his face. Do you think he can be surprised when he saw us? When he sees us? Do you think he will be surprised? Huh? Do you think he will be surprised? Do you know where are you? Oh my gosh, be careful. Something is going there. It's a caterpillar. Trolley caterpillar. Okay. Where are you?
I don't know.
What is the name of this city?
I don't know. This name?
City.
Oh, city.
What is this city?
What?
What is the name of this city? Huh?
This
Are you stupid? Are you stupid, Anush?
no.
Don't you know that this is Barcelona?
Yes, this is Barcelona.
Yes, but you don't know that. You are stupid. A little bit.
So this is Barcelona. We are going to see my uncle.
Not see, but we are going to make a surprise.
Surprise.
To do a surprise. Okay. Pardon. Lo siento. Okay, now let's see. Here is your uncle. Waar is dit?
Dat is geen grapje met mensen.
Wat is?
Als je het mooie